looking for a beautifully remodeled, move-in ready home in Kaysville, Utah that checks all the boxes, stick with me because I got you covered. It's rare to find a home like this one that offers so much. Let's check it out. Location matters. You will love this Kaysville, Utah home's convenient location. Shopping is close, freeway access is easy, especially with the new Davis corridor, and you're literally across the street from a walking path to the city park, which means everyday ease and a lifestyle of outdoor fun.